Hi everyone, Nurse Yalda from Rejuvenation Clinic. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I'm going to speak to you guys about your pre-op and post-op care about IPL. As we know, IPL stands for Intense Pulse Light. It's a light therapy for patients that they like to get treatment for their brown spots, sun damages, age spot, any discoloration. But just please be mindful, if you do have rosacea, I don't recommend this treatment for you. Anyone with rosacea, keep in mind it's due to their hormones. So it's so important to make sure you speak to your gynecologist. Definitely making sure that, especially during the summertime, you are protecting your skin because sun will be your worst enemy. So you really want to be mindful of that. So let's talk about IPL. Before your treatment, you got to make sure that you haven't had any sun exposure and you're not tan. I do recommend if you do summer activity, perhaps this is a treatment that you want to do after summer. However, if you haven't had any sun exposure and you're ready to do this treatment, a couple of things you just have to do before your treatment. One, making sure that your skin is clean. Make sure you're not using any self-tanner, self-spray, or anything like that. After your treatment, our staff will go over your post-op care, but briefly, I'm going to go ahead over that. So if you decided to do this treatment, congratulations. Make sure that you are not tan, you haven't had any sun exposure, you haven't had any chemical peel whatsoever. After your post-op, making sure that you stay away from the sun at least for 2 weeks. It's super important. This treatment will cause a little bit of an irritation. Your skin gently going to feel like a sunburn. Your brown spots, sun damages, age spot, they're going to get much darker and dry and a little bit of crusty. And in the next 5 to 6 days, they're going to get a little bit crusty and it's going to fall off on its own. It's super important to keep your skin hydrated. Moisturizing is very important because if you keep your skin dry, it's going to cause more irritation. So keep in mind, a nice moisturizer is super important. The second thing is your SPF to protect your skin from the UVA and UVB. Keep in mind, any sun protection is going to last you only for 2 hours. So if you're outside, you must carry your SPF in your purse to make sure you don't have any sun exposure. After a week, when your recovery is almost done, number one skincare that I recommend to everyone is a hyaluronic acid. It's because what your body needs, what your skin needs. So it's very important to hydrate your skin. Alrighty, let's go over the summary of this video. 1, no sun exposure. If you have summer activity, I highly suggest to do this treatment after summer. 2, no sun exposure for 2 or 3 weeks. Otherwise, your sun damages, brown spots, they're gonna get worse. So it's so important to follow all this instruction. 3, your moisturizer, and then also hyaluronic acid. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and looking forward to have you guys for our next YouTube channel. Stay tuned.